If you want your old passport to go from this to this, then keep on watching.
What is it? Is it the braids?
Hey my besties, it's your girl Caitlin Couture back with another video. I'm super excited about today's video because I haven't really done anything like this before. So the last time I got this thing done, I definitely didn't put this much effort into it. Well, planning putting on this much effort into it. In today's video, we are going to be taking some passport pictures. I haven't renewed my passport. The last time I did, I was 16. I don't even think my mom told me where I was going. She was just like, get ready. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna be looking like an Instagram baddie. I know I don't look like an Instagram baddie right now. I just woke up, so not too much. And today was really not the day to take pictures because look, I am breaking out. But again, acne is perfectly fine. That's a human thing, so we're not even going to focus on that. Makeup is always going to make me look 10 times better. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my e.l.f. primer. I've been switching between this and the Fenty Beauty. I'm still trying to figure out which one I like. I'm the type of girl, I need sunscreen. I need sunscreen on my face. I feel weird without it. But the sunscreen I have tends to get very oily sometimes, which can be very, very annoying. So I just gotta figure out an alternative. I do have another one, but it's like a tinted one, and I really have to put in the effort to get it to blend into my skin. So I'm using the NYX micro pencil in the color Espresso. Think about me, think about oops, I know. So I'm just gonna brush it up. We're gonna try to keep this makeup look very, 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 very natural, nothing too crazy. Because again, this is your passport picture. This is gonna be with you for the next couple of years. So you wanna make sure when you show them people, when you flash your badge, you gonna have to make them do a double take that's you, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, that's me. Do some light strokes to just fill in my eyebrow here. So yeah, my eyebrows are now done. They are not symmetrical, but nothing on your body is. Here, and just go along the line just to clean it up. And I'm just gonna take it off here. Kind of blend it like that, and then I like to do it from the top because again, it's a lot of product and I don't want to use too much and make it look too cakey. And now we're going to get into foundation. Honestly guys, I'm really nervous because I've never been on a vacation with my family in such a long time, so I'm just scared they're gonna think I'm weird. Because usually around my family, I'm not as I'm not super, how do I say, I'm not super energetic. I try to be very neutral, and when I'm not around my family, I'm very loud. I'm very out there, very bold, I would say. But around them, I feel like I kind of shy away from it. I don't want to seem like I'm doing too much, or I want to be more reserved around them. And honestly, if you can't be yourself with your family, it just doesn't make sense. I should be able to be comfortable around them in that way. So that's something that I really want to work on. It's just that type of self-improvement. You guys can let me know below if you have similar thoughts or feelings like that. Because honestly, I feel I don't think I'm the only one that feels that way. Where I feel I have to hide certain parts of myself around specific people, you know? I mean, it's normal, but I feel it just doesn't make sense to do that with your own family. I feel you should be able to be very comfortable. I mean, you're not saying some family members can't be, not the best to be around. I'm not saying that, but the ones that you really care about, and enjoy spending time with them, they should be able to see all pieces of you, not just a certain portion. And like honestly, this year I have been trying to learn how to talk about my accomplishments and you know what I'm working on, and that all started off of just dating someone who's so adventurous and like doesn't have a problem like talking about the things he likes and you know getting me involved in the conversation, because I felt like in many of my dates that I've had, I just really never talked about myself, or I didn't feel comfortable talking about myself, or I was like, I don't want to sound stupid, or I don't want to seem weird. Like, I just want to seem like the go-to girl that's down for anything, people pleaser. And it's just like, and then, you know what? Something that I noticed is I really don't enjoy people who are know-it-alls or like act like, I don't know if it's like pretentious, but like when they talk a lot about a specific thing, they come off as very cocky. And then I feel like internally I was like, you know what, I don't want other people to think that I'm cocky by talking about the things I like to do. And that's the whole point of like communication. You know, you have to talk about yourself. You can't just let everything be so one-sided, because then you feel neglected inside, if that makes sense. So yeah, I have been working on that, and I've definitely noticed a change where I'm feeling more happy, more accomplished, more excited to talk about myself. I know sometimes I ramble and I get off topic, so I'm sorry. I just feel very comfortable today. I think that's what it is. So, yeah. So, we got our foundation on. I don't know if I told y'all, this is my favorite foundation. I don't care who you're using. I don't care who you're using. Put it down. Put it down. You need this. You need this, honey. All Hours Foundation, YSL Beauty. The coverage, I really don't need to conceal that much. Maybe it's just a little bit, but the coverage is crazy. I forgot I had this, but I wanted to use it because we don't waste around here. In the center. And we're just going to build it right there. And then I'm just going to take this here and tap the here. And it's going to blend out real good. Trust me. And then we're going to take it out here. Okay. And I'm going to take it right here, because I like that to be a little bit bright too. I think I'm going to take it to the eye, but I usually put just a dot here because you don't need too much. Just to conceal the circles, because I'm a geometric, okay? I love that I switched to brushes over the Beauty Blender, because the coverage is just 10 times better, honestly. So I'm gonna start in the middle, honestly. I'm gonna do the light sections first, and then we're gonna blend out. I forgot, I'm supposed to let my concealer set, and I didn't. So we're just gonna keep going. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. It's okay. Keep going. A little bit, cover the whole eye. Cover the whole eye. Yes. And then I like to keep it very lifted and work my way up here. I don't like to go down. I don't want to bring my face down. I don't have wrinkles or anything, so I'm pretty good, but like we don't want to bring the don't. I see you. Put it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. We're keeping it high. We're not going down the slopes. We want to setting our skin again. You gotta make sure everything is melted in. Okay, that's the key. Everything is melted in. Oh, I think that got in my nose. So this is the One Size powder. When I say this is going to get you matte, it's going to get you matte. You're going to look real good in this passport picture, trust me. Really press it into the skin here. Instant blurring. Girl. We're just going to take it, and then we're going to bring some here on the forehead, because that forehead be shining in the sunlight, and I don't like that look, so we're not doing that today. And I'm just going to snatch that. I'm not going to make it too crazy. I'm just going to do it like a little bit here, and then bring it up. And I want to make sure that my nose is super snatched Do a little bit here because it is very pigmented, so you really want to just do it very nice and neat. And just a little tap goes a long way. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it over and just sweep it with a little blending brush. I feel like the easiest way to look like you know, put in some effort with your makeup is to just take one color and take a blending brush and then sweep it all over your eye. It just makes you look like you actually, you know, tried. A little bit, and then I also want to put a little bit on my lid. I mostly don't use this brush. I only use this brush for like the inner corners. I don't really use it to like take anything up. Brighten up that little area here. I'm going to set everything with my one side. To complete, well, next step is adding my cute little moles. I really like to have like that scissor kind of mole vibe. I just feel like it brings everything together. Also like any type of like freckles. It just gives it a little extra oomph. Then I'm going to go with my Benefit mascara just to coat my eyelashes. I really don't like wearing falsies just because they make my eyes water like a lot. A regular lip liner that's black, just because I like the way my lips look. It just looks bigger. Like my lips are big, but they're not big, you know, like they're not suckable big. So I like to overline my lips a little bit, not too crazy. And yes, my girl, Fenty Beauty. This is in the color, is it Fuchsia Flex? This is just like a nice ruby kind of gloss, and it can get you right. Yeah, once you, ooh, I think I put a little too much. Once you like really roll it in, it so nice. And it looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead, change my outfit, and put on a wig, and then I'll give y'all the final look.
This step was super easy, so you can use your phone or a professional camera to take your own pictures. I literally just put mine on a timer and tried to, you know, play around with the lighting and the poses. So I did have a few options to choose from. I did edit some of the pictures in post, like just getting rid of some of like the blemishes and stuff and fixing the colors. And this is a quick little sneak peek of what it looks on camera. So again, playing around with the poses, but these are the final pictures here. They're super cute, super baddie vibes, and this is my passport.